we saw this case when we delete our post, the associated image still stays in our directory of uploads. So we will tackle that case in this movie. So back to my editor. Now, in order to delete our image, we have to add a bit of code in this block of submit. And we have to use one function of unlink. By using, we can delete our image from our directory of uploads. But for deleting our image, our name of image should be present in this submit scope. And for that, we have to fetch our table of post and specifically that record where the deleting operation is going on. So we are fetching our record downward, not in the submit button. So if I try to access any of the variable from the code, for example, you can see that here on line 94 to 103 we are accessing our database. So if I try to echo this image to be updated right at the top, for example here, save this one, and if I click on this delete, you can see I will have this error on line 6 because first of all our script will execute this code, then it will execute this code, and on line 6 it will say this guy is echoing this image to be updated variable, but this variable is not defined on line 1 to 5, so it will show us the error. So before echoing some variable or before using some variable, we have to declare that variable. So we are declaring this variable on line 101 right here. So we cannot access this variable if we declare this variable after. So I have to cut all of this code from here because it's a one-time while loop that will fetch only one post and its ending is not iterating the HTML content. So I can cut this code from here. Now moving up. So now right on line 6, if I paste that code here and save this, now if I just refresh my page, you can see we access this image name. Why? Because now our browser execute our code from line 1 and then it move on line 7, then 8, 9, 10 and then on line 13. So on line 13 it got the variable image to be updated, and on line 17 we requested it to show us this image to be updated variable, and it says yeah, I got this variable value from line 13, so I can show you that variable. That's why this time we are not having our error, and every bit of code is working as same because it was the while loop which don't have to iterate for every single post. It was just made for one post. So right here first let's comment this echo. Now inside this submit button, right after deleting our post from our table, right here I will add one variable with the name of target path to delete image, and that variable will be equal to our uploads folder, and then inside this folder go to this image to be updated variable, then going to this uploads folder go for this image. So we have this image on line 13, image to be updated. Let's make all of these variable to deleted so that you can read this code later easily without confusing yourself. So I will change all of these variables. Okay, Now we also have to change the echo variable right here. So category to be deleted, image to be deleted, post to be deleted here. So I replaced all the updated with this deleted. So if I save this one and just refresh this page, we got the error on line 26. So what's the error? Yeah, I have to add the semicolon. So if I save this one and just refresh this page, you can see we are fetching all of the post content. So I just made this simple change where I changed the variable name from title to be updated to title to be deleted, and I also changed every single echo statement which we were using to show our existing content. You can see this category to be deleted, image to be deleted, not the updated anymore. So right on line 25, I will say go to this uploads folder and then go for this image which has the name of image to be deleted. In the earlier version of PHP, you can only mention this variable name inside double quote if you add the curly braces. But in this version, if I don't add the curly braces, I can still work with this variable. So saving this one. So this was our path to delete our image. Now we will use one function that is unlink, in which I have to specify my target path. So that's it for deleting our image. So if I save this file, and first let's go to our posts page. So I will select this image that has the name of sqlconcepts.jpg. So here is this image. So if I click on this delete button, go to this delete, post deleted successfully, and you cannot see that image here anymore. So that's how we delete our image, by using this function of unlink. And make sure that you put all of your fetching existing code which is helping you to fetch your post at the top. Otherwise this code is not going to work and you will have this error all the times, undefined image to be deleted. So make sure you put all of this code here. The reason why I am repeating myself again and again, it's because in the previous CMS course I was having this question a lot of times when students make these type of mistakes and desperately waste their time on debugging. So whenever I repeat something, listen it carefully. So that's how we delete our images.